Whenever we are talking about liquidity void, okay, so let me just write it here. Sometimes you can see it being written like this. You're gonna see LV on a chart, okay, which simply stands for liquidity void, okay. So whenever we get to talk about liquidity void, we are talking about the sharp run in price, okay. So this sharp run in price here, okay, it's what we call liquidity void, okay. You can see here that when price is moving normally, the candle will come back to close any imbalance, move up to close any imbalance, move up to close any imbalance. You can see the spikes, the wicks are coming back to close any imbalance, okay. But whenever we get to talk about liquidity void, we are talking about this sharp run here. You can see that price is moving in one direction in a sharp run. That's what we call liquidity void. The same thing here, you can see price is moving down in a sharp run, not leaving there is not much trading activity here. It's just one directional, okay. So you can see here price is one directional, there is not much trading activity. It's the same thing you get to see here, there is not much trading activity. So that is what we call liquidity void, okay. So there is nothing difficult about it, just take it as it is. It's what we call liquidity void. It's not something that you're going to be trading alone, okay. Whatever we discussed here, just go back to the previous videos, the QML trading video, where I get to talk about everything as a package and how it complements everything together, okay. But here we are just looking at what is a liquidity void, okay. So I just told you what liquidity void is. That's it for this video. Shalom.